Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bluetooth in your Infiniti G37. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Navigate to the phone menu on your car's display. From there, select Connect Phone and then Add New to initiate the search for your mobile device. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and look for My Car or Infiniti G37 in the Available Devices list. Select it and enter the 4-digit PIN displayed on your car's screen if prompted. Once paired, making and receiving calls is straightforward. To answer an incoming call, simply press the Talk button on your steering wheel. To end a call, press the End button. You can dial numbers directly using the car's keypad on the center console, or for convenience, use voice commands by pressing the Voice button. Your phone's contact list will also be accessible through the vehicle's display, allowing for easy selection. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues. If your phone isn't connecting, try restarting both your mobile device and the Infiniti's infotainment system. Also, confirm that your phone's Bluetooth is set to discoverable during the initial pairing process. For optimal performance, it's a good idea to periodically delete any old or unused devices from your car's Bluetooth memory. This helps keep the system running smoothly and prevents potential conflicts. Beyond calls, you can adjust the call volume using the audio controls on your steering wheel or the main volume knob. Depending on your specific G37 model, you might also be able to stream audio, like music or podcasts, directly from your phone through Bluetooth. This enhances your driving experience with your favorite tunes. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your connected drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.